Stop crying. I've told you to stop crying. Why are you always crying? Why?
I don't know why God chose to punish me this way. I'm tired.
Please, I beg you in the name of God, stop crying. You're hurting me. Anytime I see your tears, I feel like crying also. Please, listen to me. It can never be your fault. I am your husband and I'm not complaining. You're not God. You're not God that gives children. At the right time, God will definitely give us children. So please stop crying. Please.
But you know Mama was right. She was right, but you know, it's not my fault. It's not my fault.
Babe, I said just, like I told you, just stop. Mama is not right. Please.
We're happy. Now she's here to make me sad.
Babe, just stop it. Just stop it. Stop talking. Stop crying. And your tears. Just wipe your tears, eh? Don't worry. Allow me to handle this. She's my mother and I know how to handle her. Okay?
Okay.
Just relax.
What is this? I can see. This is what that woman uses to tie my son. Hi! Look at a house as big as this. She cannot fill them with children. Eh? So if something happens to my son tomorrow, this woman will sell off everything. Even all these expensive properties. Hey!
Mama, please. I beg you in the name of God, with due respect, this drama you are about to start, Mama, I am not ready for it. Mama, you are pushing me to the wall. Please.
Woman, if I say shut up your mouth. That woman you called your wife has been pushing you to your early grave for 8 years. What did you do? Nothing. But I've come. I've come to wake you up. I've come to wake you up on your community.
Mama,
tell her to get ready for me.
Mama, Biko, no, Biko. Mama, what is... We are not God. Mama, we are not God that gives children. Mama, what is... Mama, I am a husband. I am not complaining. Yes, I am a husband. I married her. I am not complaining.
You cannot complain, Omenife. Of course you cannot complain because you are not yourself. You are not with your senses, Omenife. Omenife, I'm not expecting you to complain. What is all this on the floor? Is it not her chance? It is obvious. This is what she uses to tie you. Tell her to get ready to leave this house. I've come to give you what? What she wanted, I've come to give it to her. Tell her to get ready to leave this house. She's a witch. She has bewitched you. That is why you cannot complain. If I hope my room is ready.
Mama, yes. You see these things? Are the charm she used to hold me. Look at them. Let me eat the charm so that it will catch me very well.
Omenife, you are an idiot.
Babe, I have talked to Mama to stop pressurizing you. It is not your fault. It is not my fault. We are not God that gives children. So just relax. One thing I want to tell you is stop crying before anybody. When they see you cry like this, they will be happy that they've defeated you. Crying is a sign of defeat. So don't always cry before them, even before me. Stop crying. Be strong.
Okay. I love you.
I love you so much. I'll always stand by you. Nothing will come between us. Don't worry. I will increase my techniques. I will do more than I was doing before. But very soon, we'll have children. We'll have children. We shall leave everything inside. Now, I just want you not to cry again. What does it look like I'm doing? I'm washing plates.
You're washing plates?
Mama, don't just start this. Don't start. Don't start. Just go to your room and leave me alone.
I said it. I knew it. Yes. Hey, God. God, why? God, why? What did I do? Why did you allow my son to fall in the hand of this devilish woman? Oh, God, I worship you all the time. Why did you allow this to befall me? Look at my son. Hey!
Mama, what is it? What have we done to you? Mama, what have we done to you? Why do you derive joy seeing my wife crying? Mama, don't you have a daughter? Why do you see another woman's daughter crying all the time? No, Mama, wait. What if I decide I don't want to have children? Are there no people that don't have children? Mama, stop. Don't allow me to have serious problem with you. Stop. Leave my wife alone. Ah!
I should not allow you to have problem with me. Omenife, kill me. Omenife, boom. Yes, kill me. Omenife, you will kill me today. Hey! I knew it. Yes, I know. She has turned you into a house help. So this is the extent she can go to.
Since we do.
Okay. Omenife, you will kill me today.
Mama, stop all these things. Stop all these things. If it is that, you go to the village. Go and meet Papa in the village. Go and meet your husband in the village and leave us alone.
Mama, please. I'm sorry. If I have offended you in any way, please forgive me. I've set the dining. You know you've not eaten anything since you arrived. Mama, you know what? I made pounded yam and offensala for you. With stockfish. Yes, Mama. Me, we eat your food. Gloria. Mama. You want to use your charm to hold me like you held my son. It will not work for you. Mama. I didn't use any charm on my husband. The only thing I've done wrong is that I've not given him a child. Mama, but you know it's not my fault. I'm not...
Hey! Gloria! Why are you laying down? Okay. Huh?
Baby, I came to beg Mama to forgive me for not being able to give her a grandchild. Have you seen it? She is now calling you baby. Omenife. So this witch here has turned you into a baby. She is now breastfeeding you instead of breastfeeding a child. Omenife. Hey!
Mama.
Our kinsmen must hear it. Omenife, I told you this woman will kill you. This woman will render you useless all the days of your life.
Mama,
obvious, you have seen it.
Mama, let her
now you are a baby.
Yes, I'm a baby. I'm a baby, Mama.
Into a baby.
I'm a baby.
Come on, get
let her be.
It was a one.
Mama, what is it? What is it? Why are you giving us so much trouble? Get up. Listen, you've done all your best to make Mama like you. She doesn't want to like you. Mama insists leave her. Every time somebody's crying, begging you.
Stop holding my son like that.
Leave her.
It's not your name.
Let's go upstairs. Every time she'll be crying, you'll be
okay. You both can go.
If you're not you're my mother, I'll say you are a question. What is it?
No problem. You can go to the room. You will hear from me in a few minutes' time. AMADI. Baby, I don't know what else to do to make Mama happy. I'm tired.
How can you be tired? Huh? What do you mean? How can you be tired of your husband's house? Please don't even say that again.
She's giving me stress.
See, just leave Mama alone. Let her mind her business and mind your own business. Mama is a troublesome person, just leave her.
Okay.
Alright.
Gloria, I've come. You will not sleep on this bed this night. Yes. Get out.
Mama, what is it? Huh? What is it? It's late. It's night. You're supposed to be sleeping in your room. What are you doing in our room?
Omenife, I've come to make sure she does not sleep in this room this night. She has been sleeping on this bed for good 8 years. And she has nothing to show for it. Why is she still sleeping on this bed? Get out of this room. Are you not hearing me? You will not sleep here. You will not sleep on this bed. Oh.
Baby, yes. Okay. Mama, if you want to stay here, you can sleep here and be happy.
Better.
Where are you going? This is your room. You will sleep here. Let Mama go and sleep in her room. Mama, go and sleep in your room. I am not your husband. She's my wife. She's supposed to sleep in my room.
Huh? Okay.
What are you?
Mama,
Mama.
we will sleep here today.
Mama. Mama.
Baby, just leave me. Mama, you can stay here. If that will make you happy. Mama, sleep here. Enjoy the room. Stay.
Mama, what I'm doing is not good though. But don't worry. Just wait. I'm coming back. When I come back, you see me, Mama. Come on, Mama. Stop. Come on, you can't sleep here. Eh? Babe, let's go back to that.
No, I'm not.
That
I'm
room is your room. Let's go back, please.
I'm not going back there. Just allow Mama to stay there. I want to do everything that will make her happy. I will sleep here.
Why now? Come on, stop. Let's go.
Leave her alone. Let her sleep in this parlor. You see that room? She will not sleep in that room. As far as NNADI still remains in this house, she will not step into that room again to sleep. Let her sleep here.
Mama, I'm warning you. Mama, I am warning you. You are closing your branches, Mama. Let us be. She's not your wife. Let us be. This is not your house. Go back to the village.
Omenife, wait. If even you are pointing at like that. I'm okay now. Omenife.
Get up, let's go. What is it? Ah! This is not my house.
Let her sleep in this parlor.
Mama,
Just sleep here. I don't want you to drag me.
Yes.
Mama.
Hey! Mama, the gods are watching you.
Let them watch me.
Our ancestors are watching what you are doing in my house.
Me.
You are pushing me, Mama. The gods are watching you. They are watching.
She has slept in that room for how many years? Nothing come out. Get out! You are not sleeping in that room.
Are you doing that with massage, Mama? Mama.
Baby, please, I don't want you to drag it, Mama. Let me sleep here and I'm not complaining. Please, let me just stay here. I'm fine.
Yes. Oh yeah. Upstairs. Go there. Go to that room and sleep, Omenife.
Gloria, Linda. Gosh, come on, let's leave this place. Come on, Ilo.
Sir.
Open that gate.
For them.
Yes, ma'am.
Eh? Do you know I can sack you now? Do you know I can sack you for opening this gate for them?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Eh? Hey! I was waiting for them at the living room. Which road did they use to come out here again?
Mama, from the staircase, ma'am.
Is there another road from the staircase?
Yes, Mama. If you enter inside there, just go this way, like this now. Climb up, you go see the staircase there.
Another road I don't know in this house. Hey!
Me wait there for gate, can't know say road there for inside.
Well, who asked you to open this gate?
Mama, that's my
Okay, forget. Okay. me give you. Hey, Marcia. Oh. What am I going to do now? You should come back in this house. You will meet me. Let them come back. Where is the road to the second?
Mama, just enter inside from that way. Just enter.
Which side?
They go inside there, inside there.
Which side?
From your left.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma.
Why did you ask him to stop?
Honey, please. I feel for Mama. We can't leave her all alone in the house. Please, let's go back.
Listen.
I feel same way too. Maybe we can just go to somewhere and then stay a while, then go back to the house.
Listen, I know my mother too well. If she sees us come back immediately, she will do worse than she did before.
I think I have an idea.
What
Is it not better I go out every morning, then come back in the night? Before you know it, she will go.
Yes, that's a good one. You can even come to my shop and while away time.
I know my mom. Oh, if she does not want to go, there is nothing you will do that she will go. Well, for now, let's just drive somewhere and relax till later in the night. By the time she's tired, she will not give us headache again when we come back. Mama can give you headache.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Welcome, man. I'm fine, sir.
So, where's Mama?
Mama don't go.
What? Was she angry?
How did you do it?
Me, professional like Ilo. I like you and tell and say, our robbers they come this area this night. And I see me like this and I don't go pack my bag. Say I dey come out, I dey run go. You want just enter inside, carry her bag, she run go.
Hi. Ilo.
Hi, why must you lie to her?
All Austin, Ilo, everybody, they are liars.
Liars?
Liars. You lie.
Linus,
Ilos, they lie too much. Hello?
Ilo.
Yeah, this
Ilo.
Obenife. Yes. What? How? When? Where? Okay. I'm coming there right away, yes. Now, I'm coming.
Baby, what is the problem?
Mama,
Mama, what?
Knock that down. Mama is dying. Let's go. Open the gate.
Linda.
I don't know, so I don't see the problem. Why I like the house. Mama don't die. I don't know, so now they lie like you. She give me that problem every day. Now I don't lie.
Hey!
Stop crying now. Why are you doing this to me?
Not be well with you people, Linda. I showed you love. I gave you everything you need. Why? The pressure. If it was not pressure from Mama, you wouldn't have entered this contract with them now. You would have agreed to this now. Why would you agree to this?
It's okay. You know we did all this to please Mama, yet we didn't succeed. Please calm down. Just allow things the way they are. God knows the best. Please.
I was so carried away. I'm so happy that I will have a child. And they took advantage of us.
It's okay.
They deceived me. Help me.
I said it's
They
okay.
played with my heart. They
calm
rubbished
down.
me.
Calm down.
They allowed me to maltreat you. Oh, I remember all the love I used to have for you. Please forgive me.
I've forgiven you even before now. You know I love you from my heart. I've forgiven you. And from all this thing that is happening, I now believe what the man of God told me. I believe what he told me will definitely work. Yes.
Man of God.
Yes.
What are we waiting for? I am ready to do whatever he wants me to do. Then let's go now.
Okay.
You again? Well, that's the man that may enter in this house again.
If I slap your head, if I slap you, you're feeling...
You don't enter here. Augustine, you don't come here.
Hey, Bonnie, who are those people at the gate?
I hope it's not Linda. If it is Linda, she's dead.
No.
I will kill her. I will kill her this time if it's Linda.
Wait, now wait. No, calm down. Wait, just calm down. Leave me alone. Can you imagine? Leave me. What's wrong with you? What's wrong? Leave me. Idiot.
Why you holding her waist? Come on, touch me. Now you tell me, man, allow me to enter this compound again.
I'm not alive. It's not when I hold your waist.
I will knock his head though. It's okay.
Come on, Linda.
Now she don't confuse me.
Let's die. Come.
If I will knock this guy, I will knock his head. It's okay, not mine. Are you mad?
Sorry.
Don't you know my friend? Are you stupid?
It's alright.
It's okay.
Hey. It's actually under my instructions. But everything's alright now. She has not seen anything. That girl. She will suffer. God will punish her. She's a witch. Let's go inside.
Anayo, the Igwe sent me to send his verdict to you over your matter. Enough is enough for all of you. The last time we called on you, you promised that you'll marry Asanwa. But look at things now.
Exactly.
He that his house is on fire does not chase rats.
I'm not sure you have said it all.
Chelo. I don't like how you talk sometimes. Even the last time you came here, some kind of words are just uncalled for. Which one is Onyone and Abokwa Adeachuke? Are you now trying to say it's a crime for me to be close to the woman that gave birth to my son? I'm only trying to be a responsible father. What wrong did I do?
What do you mean? Okay, what do you mean? Here. Huh?
I know I'm stupid. You always say it all the time. It's not the first time. Every time I'm stupid for saying the truth.
Anayo, do you know what it means to lose a mother over this case?
It's painful. Very, very painful.
You have a wife, and if you give her the needed attention, she can still bear you a child.
Oh, Iche, oh God, Iche, Asimoga, it shall be well with you. Amen. Will this fake organic product allow him? OKWUEMEKA.
I will not start. I'm not. And what are you insulting me? Enough is enough. Let me ask you a question. All this while now they go with front and back. Even before you came back from the city to this village, your stomach was still empty.
Did you not see my child? Did you see my daughter? Were you the one that killed my child? You killed my daughter. Which? Amusota. Which? Your generation. You are a witch. I will kill you.
It's okay. After all, it is your fault. How do you expect her to keep quiet when you are trying by every means necessary to snatch her husband? This is an issue. In fact, tell them what you said so that we will leave here. What kind of insult is this?
Asanwa.
Sir, that's my name.
The Igwe has commanded that you should give your son to Anayo.
That is what our Igwe said.
To allow him face his family.
Simple.
That is his instruction.
Go back to that your CHUKWUEMEKA from Igwe over here no sense. See and more about someone. Now that I will not give my child 1.9 months. When you milala, when you put an former way your way to, I will not give it to him.
Then you take him. Buriana Bano, take him and go. Carry him and go. Who wants him? Onya Choroya. He does not want him. You are forcing him on him. He does not want him. Akuna.
Okay, it's your not here. Let me just react to what my niece just said. There is no way you expect her to give her child to an Ayo that has not paid any dowry on her. It is not done anywhere. I cannot live to see that or support it. It is obvious. It is obvious that you are the one that is sponsoring this fight. Oh, go on, what is there to fight for here? What are we fighting for here now? It is an Ayo here who is engineering the fight, firing the fight, and encouraging the fight. Yeah.
Ichie, Biko, I don't like this thing. Stop saying this thing now. How am I engineering the fight? So the wrong thing I did is that I'm close to the woman that gave birth to my son. If I'm not close to her, you will still be the one to go around the village to tell everyone that I got your niece pregnant without even minding to take care of her and the son. It's not an insult. I'm just telling him. It's not that I'm insulting him.
Please, guy, you are expressing your anger. But anyway, there is no way you will expect to give her son. Then marry her.
Marry her to where? Baby, this house. I will kill her. I will kill you. I will kill you. This house. Marry you to where? Marry to this house. Hey, it's on the one. It's on the one. Onyara.
Because this thing is giving me stress. I'm on my press to take care of. I talk about white. And get them more until they jump. Because with all due respect, where you are king that I will not give my son to anybody. And as for you and I, if you still want to miss this sort, upon you catch your milkshake, the flavor, hey, you know where to meet me. You pay my dowry, get married to me, make a bill awesome. For now, concentrate on this one. Even when they make it of West, you won't allow. You understand me? You also without due respect. Also, also, nonsense. No, you won't. We're not going to come out for you.
Is she working out?
Fake organic product.
This is the insult of the first class. Don't worry.
My elders, Biko, no now. So I believe you heard what she said now when she stood up. She said you should tell the Igwe that she will not. You no need to remind you. Heard everything. So please just do exactly what she said.
But where are you making a woman? Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Where are you going to make it again? Hey! Where are you going to? Woman, we are not done with this. No problem. You come back and meet me. Go, you come back. We come back here. I'm waiting for you now. You have seen him now?
You see your son?
Is that one a man or a woman?
I want to give him beautiful woman.
Hey!
Ujuku, what happened? I mean, why did you come back?
How can you ask me that kind of question? Am I going to live in the city? Is that place my house? I have to come back to my father's house. Yes, this is where I belong.
But you did not inform anybody that you're coming back now. You would have told us.
Oh, sorry. I forgot. I forgot to tell the town crier to announce it to the whole villagers that Ojukwu is coming back. I am now the American president. Yes, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Please go and sit down.
But it's a good thing that you're back.
I finished them. Hey! Trust me. I finished Linda.
Serious?
I went there and I scattered. I showed her that I'm Ojukwu. Yes. See, do I look at her face? I don't look at her face. She was there. She was there angry. I said, you can be angry for all I care. I don't send. If you do bad thing, I will tell you that you do bad thing. You will not beat me.
You will not be angry.
I don't care. Let him be angry. I have done what I'm supposed to do. Yes, I finished them. Let me ask you. That our mother's village, does anyone still live there?
Why are you asking? Don't tell me you want to go there.
I want to go there. In fact, let me tell you. I came back to pack my things and go there and live. So that I will have peace in my life. You see, this is my life. I need peace now. What I need now is peace. So let me go there. Grandma is no longer alive. Grandpa, no alive. So let me go there and grand.
Brother, why? I mean, why do you prefer to stay in this village than to stay in the city?
City is not my talent. I don't have talent in the city. City is not my destiny. I have decided to be in the village. Let me be Obi village. Yes. Village grandmaster. Village grandmaster. You can go to the city and stay. I don't care. But for me, village is where I like. I love it. My destiny is here and I will make it here.
But I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Please take this bag inside. Get me food. Where is Papa?
Papa went out.
Yeah, carry this bag and go inside. Get me food. Let me eat so I'll go inside and prepare. You why not go to the city and stay?
But the city is better than the village, Jojo.
What are you doing in the village? Carry both straight in the village. Go to the city and showcase yourself.
But if I have my way, I'll go to the city.
You have your way. Have your way, Lord. Have your way. Go to the city. So that you see husband.
If you want to stay in this village,
you are here dragging village with me. Linda. All right. My mother's people.
My love, please.
Don't touch me.
Please,
Don't.
Please, my love. You know, I've come to love you. Not only because of our child. I love you.
You love me. I have never been humiliated like this in my life. Enough is enough. This ends today. So they want me to give you my child. They want me to just carry my baby and just give you like that. Is that how it's been done in your place? I'd rather kill that boy and kill myself.
No.
I swear!
No. You cannot possibly do that now. Mind what you say. You can't do such a thing.
What is their business? Tell me, your kids were they there?
They were not there.
Were they there?
They were not there.
Okay, but you cannot pay dowry. Now, I don't know, but you cannot pay dowry.
My love, stop saying this.
Away from me.
I will pay your bride price, if not because of my mother's burial. I will pay.
See, my mother's burial at my foot. Listen to me. You better act fast. If you're not dowry, you better start doing it fast. If not, I will leave for the city with my son. I am done with this nonsense. Enough is enough.
I will.
I don't care. Just do it immediately. That's what can become.
Somebody property. You see someone say now you're on. Somebody husband. You carry on say now you're on. And the talk with the fight. You say now you're on property.
Mrs. Ocha.
There is no offer for you today. Or one driver for you today. Let's go. You know what you do?
Love, my name is Yo. When we are doing it, we are not there. It's just me and you that. I'm here. I'm here till you change your mind, though. I'm here till you change your mind, though.
I will deal with your brother's daughter. Imagine the way she walked out of us. Imagine.
You will not do anything to her. What has she done to you? What can one know? Say the truth. You are an elderly man. Say the truth to all of us.
Ichibe, is this what you say with your mouth? Oyakideku, don't worry. Your daughter Amoge will have this problem of having now. She will have it. Don't worry. Another girl will drag her husband with her. You got fear. Evil man.
Okay. As long as my daughter will give her husband whatever he needs, no woman will drag her husband with
Ichebe, you will not die well. Okay, now Luluana, Agadi na warfare. Get up and go! Get up before I use this bottle to shave this your scattered beard.
Look, go and look for your own.
Your sickle cell of a daughter should go and marry first. Your sickle cell of a daughter should go and marry first.
Animal.
One answer for me, one answer for me. I am going to kill that girl. I will kill her in this village. Hey!
What are we going to do?
I will get back to the Igwe. I'm not happy at all with that girl's behavior.
I'm not happy.
Yes, she will see another side of our Igwe. Mazi, let's go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. No, okay, enough. Eh? No one mother for the outcome. Eh? You see someone? She's dead and gone. She should choose her mortuary. She should choose her mortuary. Because I will kill her.
I'm so happy how everything happened. Omenefe, you can see.
Well, I shouldn't be blamed for this. Ask Gloria. I was on my own when she came begging, please, please agree to this plan. This. I said no. She kept begging and forcing me to agree to her plan.
Just look at the way you're narrating it. She came begging. But I've said I'm sorry for pushing you that far. Okay. I did all this to please your mom. I needed you to have a child through any means, just to make her happy. Is it my fault that it didn't work?
Linda, it will never be well with you. Wherever you are, God will punish you. As for Ojukwu, she keep running. I'm coming for him. When I'm ready for him, I will come to that village and I will deal with him.
Honey, he didn't do anything to you. Ojukwu didn't do anything to you. Linda said they were dating before. Why are you blaming the poor boy? Eh?
Omenife, if I will say, there is a man of God that will need you to see. Yes, he's a very strong man of God. At least Gloria here can be a witness. He told Gloria that Linda will live in shame. And it happened. Or am I lying?
Honey, it's true. The man of God said it's my time to be pregnant. Yes, that I will carry my own child very soon. I forgot to tell you.
Let me finish talking to my father then. So, when do you want us to go?
As soon as you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. Let me just finish talking to him.
Okay.
Ichi, what have I done? No, tell me, why are they attacking me?
I don't care. I've said what they need to know. You will not give out your son. Just like that. Mbano. Adiemieme. Onye mega gorotua.
Ichi, please. Oh, I will alone why you. There is no problem here. I have said I will pay her bride price after my mother's burial. That I must do.
That's your business. I have said what I said. They now look at her as someone as if she is the bad one here.
Chimo, Ichi, thank you for standing by me. Thank you so much. Anayo, I don't need to remind you how this started. How we became close and what led to this. Do I need to remind you?
No. You're welcome. You're welcome, bro. Hey! Chineke.
What kind of fire is this? So you people are now back to square one? Eh? Hey!
Mama, you should even go and buy fowl and go give Thanksgiving. That we are still alive till today. I'm back to you. It was not a small thing, no.
Well, it's not the end of the world. The main thing is that it has happened. So I just have to I'll just have to rise again, start all over. And...
Brother, you are a vibrant young man, and you will definitely stand to your feet again.
How are you? Mama. Hey, Mama, I heard what happened. I even saw them when they passed my shop, so I decided to come and say sorry.
Someone you have seen you. Look at what fire has done to my children. Eh? They are not back to the village.
Mama, hey, you should be thanking God that they are even alive, that they survived the fire outbreak. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Sorry, sorry. Our wife, sorry. Oh, Mama, let me go back to my shop. Sorry.
When you get just another woman, no what you go see? Now fighting every day. I see you Idikwanikogo. Yeah, you can have me. Cause now so fighting go they come over your way. Every day now every day na balava I chachai brother sister again in the national mama papa again in the national
Someone.
Oh, hello.
Is this where you stay?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. You have really nice designers, so you sew very well, oh.
Yes, so.
You're a good designer, oh.
It's God, oh, by God's grace. It's not my power. Maybe you need to come and pick up some things for your wife. That's if you know her size.
Of course, I know her size, but you know there is no money now. You know how things are now.
No worry, you have money. There will be money. Eh?
Sure.
So, where are you going to? This ceremony?
I'm going to that woman that sells yam at that boho to know if I will buy yam.
Yam? This ceremony?
Of course, this morning now. Actually, there's red oil at home, so I want to know if we use the yam and no one or two.
Meanwhile, first of all, I'll bring some clothes for your wife to test from. I'm sure she'll like 1 or 2 of them. I have a lot of them inside. Eh? And then second of all, you have to follow me to my house. I'll give you yam. You don't need to go and spend that money on yam. Open yam, kitchen, so yam. I have yam. Eh? Just hold on for me.
Asanwa. So you're still this nice. But who will look after your shop now?
My girls, they'll come and do it. Let's go. Eh? Come, let's go. I'll keep yam. Let's go. Manage this.
Asanwa, is this not too much? If you give me this one, which one will you people now eat?
Don't able people. It's just me and my younger sister now. Or didn't you hear that my mother died last year?
I heard though, but this is too much now.
It's not too much. Nothing is too much for you and I. It's not much. It's just 4 tubers of yam.
Thank you very much. You're making money in this village, yo.
My dear, we thank God. At least I now sell people's clothes and then some students' uniform. That way I'm able to make some money.
So girl, you sew students'
uniform. If I'm not do drop man.
Nah, this life is somehow. Can you imagine a beautiful girl like you is doing all these things to make money? In this village, why some people are in the city struggling how to eat?
My dear, it's God. You know, I don't pay for rent here. It's just my shop that I pay. How much? 20,000. I make it in less than a month. So it's not a problem to me. I make money. It's by God's grace.
Hi. This is so charming. You know, it would have been both of us, if not for...
Anayo, please don't talk about it. Don't even remind me of it. You just ruin my mood.
Please.
Okay, no problems. I just wanted to remind
Don't
you.
remind me. Thank you.
Okay, let me run along and show them, eh?
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Enjoy. And you know, since you're back now with your wife, all you need to do is team up. You understand? Team up in love. Think of what to do that will yield money for you guys. Before you know it, you make money and go back to the city. You know, go?
Somebody property. You see someone say now you're on. Somebody husband. You carry him say now you're on. And the talk you the fight. You say now your own property. When trouble go come, make you go run. What do you go see?
This one, you like it. To bring out your... Then this is just normal. It's not that long, you see.
You mean you make this ready-to-wear outfits?
No. I do. And lots more.
She is so good at what she does. Just that she's so expensive. Not everyone can afford her.
What do you expect? Anything nice should be expensive. Should it be cheap before?
Then this one, in case you have occasions. You can wear it. All eyes will be on you. This material is quite expensive.
Go and call your brother. Let's see if you buy them for him. I know he doesn't have money for now.
Asanwa.
Anayo.
You're here?
Yes, so I actually brought some clothes for your wife to choose. I mean, I need her to check out some of my clothes.
Just to check out, Abby?
You can actually buy one for her. She's your wife, remember?
Baby, I like this so. It's not as if I don't like the others, but I can manage these two for now.
Oh, okay. So how much is it?
Each one is 7,000 naira. It's not that much.
7,000 naira?
Is it much?
Not really.
Okay, you know what? Just pick anyone that you like. Just pick. Choose the two that you like. These two. You can have these two. I'll give you this. You can pay later whenever you have money. While I go back with this one.
I don't understand.
These two, I am giving it to you as a gift from me to you. Yes. And then you can pay for this later.
Ha! Asanwe again.
Hey! Thank you. Ezigbo Madu. You're a good woman.
Thank you. This is nothing now. It's nothing.
Hey, God bless you for me. God bless you.
Anayo and I were very good friends back in those days. He used to be very nice to me. This is my only way of paying back for his niceness.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you very much.
You're a good woman.
Thank you.
Hey! So I have to get going. My girls are waiting for me in the shop.
Thank you.
Anayo, take care of your wife.
You are such a wonderful person.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So fine.
Babe, you did not tell me you still have good people like this in this village.
Ha! Emmanuel Marasanwa. This girl has been good to me from day one. Yeah? Very generous person.
That's you what? Give you what? Don't know bigger than me. Hey, baby, by the time I wear this one, you will start toasting me again. You got chawamozo. Everywhere I do. Mbwari was the hey, Mbwari. Oh! Shari, what? Teach your man, it's not your size. You are bigger than me. Alayo, what is it? Okay.
It's my wife.
Why are you running? What happened?
My wife.
What happened to your wife?
You know, when we were in the city, she had a very dangerous miscarriage. So since then, the thing has been disturbing her. So the doctors advised that she needs to do another operation if we want her to have a baby again. So right now, the thing has started again. The hospital will rush her now. They demanded for money, 90,000.
Hey, 90,000.
Exactly.
So 90,000.
I have 30,000. Mama promised to give me 10,000. I'm actually rushing to meet Ojukwu. He promised to give me 20,000.
It's okay, you don't need to reach all those things. See, I have, this is 20,000 naira. I have cash here. You have to follow me to the community bank. I will withdraw the rest and give you. Stop running around because her life is important. I want them to lock the shop.
Thank you. Let me help you unlock it.
Just leave it. Let's go.
Sister, what I'm saying is that you're doing too much for them. It's too much.
I am not doing too much. Nothing is too much for Anayo. Have you forgotten how kind and nice Anayo was back in those days? Even our secondary school time, remember? Those times he used to carry me his bicycle.
Okay, so what happened? He's so kind and all that. What happened? Why did Anayo not get married to you?
Because we are not meant to be together. That's what it is. And besides, if you want to help people, you help them. Stop thinking about the past or giving them conditions just because you have it. It doesn't make sense.
Okay. I'm only concerned about you, sister. Because very soon, this whole thing will turn against you. You know how women is. Very, very soon, Anayo's wife will start thinking like the average African woman.
No, she won't. I mean, she looks exposed. She won't. As a matter of fact, she should be taking God every day for me. I've been feeding her. I'm like a mini God. What if I didn't have?
They will still have survived. Are you the only person in this village? After all, she has a family. Let her go back to her family and ask for help. You should not kill my sister with beg.
I'm not complaining.
Sister, if they go back to the city tomorrow, they will not remember you. You're just wasting your time.
No problem. Am I complaining? God gave me so I can give people.
You are doing too much.
I'm not complaining.
You are doing too much.
The money that I'm taking by myself. You're still telling me how to spend the money.
When trouble go come make you go run. What you go see? Wahala, you go see. No trouble, you go see. Wahala, you go see. When you go chase another woman, no.
That's someone. Hey, Mama. God bless you. Amen. Thank you so much. Amen.
Thank you so much. How do I pay you back?
You don't need to pay me back. I'm just paying back Anayo here for the good old days. Yes, Mama. You remember those days now you used to carry me on your bicycle to school in Ugunkwo. And Mama, guess what? Because he was my senior, even if I come late, they will not flog me. So I'm paying him back.
And that was why I gave you the name Bisi Socha. So you still remember?
I still remember. I cannot forget.
Ha!
Hey. Imela, thank you so much.
She needs to be taking milk and tea every morning to help her recover fast. I bought it for you. I even bought the juice. If you look at it, there are two of it. And Anayo, I have to be on my way. Mama, I have to.
Thank you. Thank you very much. She tried.
Very well.
That's beautiful.
Very well. Sorry.
Hey, what?
Sister.
Easy.
You have to visit the chemist. This blood is too much.
It's too painful. I can't walk now. Are you going to carry me to the chemist?
Yeah, let me try now.
No. Don't. It's too painful.
What happened?
Baby.
Sorry. What happened?
She got injured by a nail.
Nail?
Sorry.
What were you doing?
I was trying to fix the bathroom door.
Oh my God. Okay, let me take you to the chemist. Let me take you to the... Sorry. Okay. Hold it. Let's go. Sorry. Don't match it.
Wait, easy. Sorry, slippers.
You say someone say now you're on somebody husband. You carry on say now you're on And the talk with the fight, you say now your own property.
What is happening here?
Bottle shook her on her spinal cord down here.
He Bottle took her on her spinal cord down here. Is that why she carry her? Anayo?
No, we went to the chemist shop to treat her. So me, I'm taking her home like this.
Anayo, so if you're not in this village, can I find a way to come, Mr. Where? Eh?
It's just her leg is paining her. So me, I want.
Okay, calm down. Bring her down. I say you should come down.
Sorry, it's her leg. Let me just drop her now.
Anayo, drop her. Drop her. Why would you say when I see you put out of you like this? Wait, let me come down. Come down. Come down, please. My leg hurts.
You see, it's not fair. She's limping.
Eyes. No, sorry. Chai. No. You can find a way to the chemist. It's not far.
No, we've gone to chemist's house that I'm taking her. I'm taking her home.
Okay, home. When your house is not far again. Okay? You can find your way home, no?
What you go say? No trouble you go say. When you get just another woman, no hobby. What you go say? Now fighting every day. I see. Cha, idikwanikogo. Yeah, ikelajinume. Cause now so fighting go they come over your way.
Do you know what I went through for J-Boy? Do you know the sacrifices I made for him? I sold almost everything. Okay. I did everything possible to make sure that this J-Boy, this particular guy goes abroad. Just for him to better his life. What do I get in return?
Of course, I heard of you and J-Boy. Even when I came back to the village, I wanted to ask you, but it just escaped my mind. Why now?
It's so painful.
That is wickedness. After everything.
The most painful part is that he has never called me or I've never heard from him. It's so painful, Anayo. That's why it's hard to trust me. After everything I did for him, this is the only way he can pay me back.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. Okay? Let's go. No, don't do that. You don't have to cry now. Is he the only man? It's okay. He doesn't deserve you. Ozugo now. Stop this thing. Stop crying. Okay.
What is going on here? Anayo, I have been going everywhere looking for you.
It's not what you think, oh.
Then it's what? It's not what I think, Ogini.
As someone talking about J-Boy, so
What is someone J-Boy? What is that? What he's trying to say is that you trying to say what I saw clearly as someone who knows of him. No, you're misunderstanding. So this is your plan? What plan are you? Okay! I understand it now. This is why you bring Gringa gifts to us, okay? Your useless gift is to snatch my man from me. Oh, my man.
I was just trying. Can you stop this thing now?
You go him now, You go him now. Show me your back.
Of course, me, I'm already going. It's just to
start going.
What is all of this?
I think it's not going. As for you, I don't want to see you anywhere close to my husband again. Nonsense. You're going close again.
Let's go
now. Try it again. Enough for you. Is it not enough for you? Anayo, shame on you. Shame on you. So this is why I take it from you, okay? If I get another gift, Anayo, it will end today. It will end today, Anayo.
Stop this thing now.
Stop it.
You're taking it too far. I just went there to return the money I borrowed from her. That's all. That's all.
Oh, yeah. But brother, I thought you said she asked you not to.
Same thing I thought too. But she called me that she needs money. She wants to go to the market.
Anna, you're listening to me. I am not a fool. I am not a fool. Cha. It will end today. Don't collect anything from her again, Anna, I am warning you.
I can't see Jay.
I'll kiss you, Jay.
I'm telling you the truth. That's not the same.
Our wife. Who is our wife? I came to explain something to you. It's not what you think, See, I was crying for something else. It was not about me. So, if you are crying,
he should hold you like this. This is how he should console you, Akuya. Eh? Asamu, listen to me. I have heard your gist with him, oh. I have heard it. I've heard about your meandering in this village with him. And I know you still have an eye on him. You still want him. But it will not happen. I will not allow you to have my man off my dead body. Oh, man, you will not do it. I will not.
Anya, you talk now.
That's what I've been telling them here, that I came to give you the money I borrowed from you. Is it not you that called
that you want to borrow? Take it. Well, take it. I don't need it again. Go out.
What's your problem now? You're taking this too far.
Which far now? Which far? So I should wait until you enter the eh? You want to enter the way? Oh my man, I will not allow it to happen. I take it out.
I saw these clothes for you.
Asa mo sibapo? Eh? Asingi go. No, go. Sibapo. Here look him na house sibapo. Nonsense. Akunike.
Let me just go inside.
Retire and shower.
Nonsense. When you return the money someone gave, did she do bad in borrowing me money? And return it is a problem. You're taking this too far. I told you that I just returned the money.
I will slap you.
Was that why you want to carry her on your back?
The only is if I slap you, you will change color. So I'm not here. If I slap you, you change color.
How dare you utter such words in my presence?
Sorry, sir.
Why? How? What is this?
Ichi or not here? You are hearing them. Eh? You are hearing them. If anything happens to Asanwa, eh? I will take Anayo and his family to the shrine of Obuboji. Ajengodi onye nwufonu bideba bebe.
Ko si ebe.
Eh?
Ko si ebe utazio nga baroka ko si ebe. Ichie. I am glad that you have heard the rubbish, the utterances that is coming out from her mouth. Ichie, one how? One Akudo. Akudo thinks she's mad. She's not mad though. Some people are mad. She has been looking for my trouble all this while. Oh. I've just been watching her. See, Anna, you're your wife. Let her just respect herself and stay on her own. If I start my own, this village will not contain us. Look at her. So you say I'm mad to talk of her? You say